The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
What's up, baby girls? Come with me. Let's go do some shopping. So, you already know it's Halloween, October season. We got to do some crazy looks. So I got to do some shopping because I'm running out of makeup. So let's go get some stuff. Let's go. Come with me. Let's go. The first, okay, so we just got here to WELMART. Oh, shut up. Okay, let's get rough. Alrighty, so we're here at WELMART. Let's get it. We have to go get the card. Alright, so we got our card. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, I'm in WELMART. Look at all we got in here. We got all these products. Bam! So we got all these. Look at all these. I kind of feel kind of weird talking, but it's okay. I'm trying to come out of my zone, comfort zone, whatever you want to call it, because I don't do much talking because I get shy, even though I might be a little cray sometimes, but still I get shy. Believe it or not. But damn, look, we got some wigs. OMG, look at this wig, only for $11.98. What? We got some of these. Ooh, MG, look at this bad bitch right here. OMG, not bad. And we definitely need to get some cabs. I definitely need some because I do not know what I did with the ones I had. But yeah, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't even know where to go, where to get. Look over here. OMG, look at this dragon. What? That dragon is amazing. So that will be on your shoulders. That is, what the heck? This is so unique. OMG. And then we got some of the horns. OMG, I am so excited. We are gonna get down with it. OMG, look at this bruja. I found me. What? And we got these what? Oh, cute. OMG, and look at these fake bloods only for $1. Not bad. So check the other side. We got more costumes. So we even got some pickles. Give me your pickle. Give me your pickle. Ooh, look at that muscle boy. You handsome, man. Look at that, my princess Cinderella. Make me some food. I'm a mermaid. But yeah, let's go back to where the makeup is at and let's go pick up some makeup. So over here, definitely I do need some white paint, and it's only for $1.14. And I definitely do need some eyeliner and look for $1 something. Bam! So we're definitely gonna take this. OMG, look at these colorful eyelashes. We have blue. We got some of these spooky things. Hold on, I need to move my car because I think my car's on the way. My bad, my car was on the way and there's people. But yeah, so far we got these two products. So we're adding it on the back, put it in the bag. Now we're gonna take. Look, there's even more over here for $1. I'm gonna take a little bit of everything. So we got red, we got orange, we got blue, we got green, we got black. It's hard to get it with one hand. Okay, so we got these. Put it in the bag. And then we're taking the black one. I couldn't do it with one hand. So yeah, we got these black ones I'm taking as well. And then, oh, they even have some big ones, which is $3.84. And then we got these ones right here, which is $3.84. So yeah. And then we even got to spray your hair products. Oh, look at, we even have red eyeliner. OMG, we definitely got some diamonds only for what, $6? These are $6.44. And then we got two plastic sets for $4.98. OMG, and then we come with the glue. Oh, I definitely need to get one of these, which is some blood, and it's only for $2.98. So definitely gonna be taking this. All right, so right here I found, what is it? So over here I found a red one, and I definitely do need a white one. So we're taking a white one as well. So we have more, and we even got some hair color so you could paint your hair. So we're gonna be adding this on the bag. So let's go put this on the bag. It's kind of annoying because a lot of people keep passing by, and I'm obviously on their way. So we even got some of these new designs as well. They even got some of these glitters. And then they even got some for your lips. Wow, look at this. Bam. Definitely must have. So I'm definitely taking 2 of these liquid latex. Look how they look now compared to the ones I have. I'm gonna show you guys when I get home the ones I have. They used to be a little bit more bigger than this. It's ridiculous, but anyways, it is what it is. So it's $10.44, and I'm taking 2 of these. So put it in the bag. We're adding it in the bag. There's more blood over here. There's more over here. They even got these cool things, like if you got hurt yourself, like with a bullet, even for bites. Look at these teeth right here. I can make my own as well. Look at these scans. I can make my own as well. My phone is ringing. I got a client. I gotta answer the call because I gotta do a haircut today. Hold on, you guys. So check out the wigs we got here. I found this one, which is like the blue. Bam, and look at the price, $5.98. Not bad. So I'm taking this one as well. We're adding it on the bag. Okay, and then that one on the bag. And then see what else I got. Oh, look at this. They even got this for the clown, and it's $7.98. Oh, MG, look at this. $9.98 for this one. Okay, let's see. Look at that. Ooh, this is more like a Scissors Edward look. I think I might take this one for Scissors Edward. Okay, this is more like a rock and roll, and it's $8.98. So we're gonna be adding it on the bag. What else we're gonna be taking? Oh, look at this. And then we got, ooh, look at this one. It has glitter. What? Bam. I really like how these ones look. Look at these ones. And these are like the calves. This is more like different colors. Bam. This is more like a Nicki Minaj look. And we got this one, black and red. Woo. All right, so this is gonna be the final. This is what I decided to take. I found this one only for $6.98, so not bad. I really like this blue one. This is have to have. I have to have latex. It's the main thing I use, and blood. This, I really want to do like a cool look with this, and I got some little couple of body paints in these. So this is what I found. This is what I'm taking today. Who's ready to get creative? Oh Lord, it's freaking hot, bananas. I'm over here sweating. It's freaking hot up in this freaking desert. Freaking Walmart. It was freaking packed, but packed. Huh, Star? I'm just gonna start. Star, she stayed here at home with her nana. Huh, Star? You were here with your nana. With your nana. With your nana. My baby, baby. So we made it home. Huh, Star? We made it home. We made it home. We made it home. My crazy star. So yeah. So here are the things I got at Walmart. So this was my birthday gift that I got myself. Well, not really myself because they gave me the Mona and I went to go get what I wanted. So I ended up spending, I wanted to spend at least 50, but I did not spend no 50. I spent about $62.36. It cost me for all of these stuff that I got at Walmart. Is this wig. Then we got this other wig. I want to do some cool looks with this EOS. Of course, liquid latex is what we definitely need. Oh, back to what I was saying. So compare this to this. What the fudge? How dare they? Well, it's kind of like the same amount, isn't it? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, 40s. Okay, it's the same. It's the same, just different looking boxy. It looks less though. When I looked at it, it looked like less, but it's the same amount. It has the same ounces or whatever. So yeah. So I got me 2 of these. So here you go. These are the other 2 that I got. So yeah, so these 2 are the ones I got. And then I got one of these blood right here. Also, look at these, how these bottles look compared to the old one. Crazy. So yeah, so this is, we're going back to my bed, but yeah. So I got these. I got a white one. I got the white one, the red one, and then I got a black one. And then of course the paints, which I got a yellow, red, green, white, black, and blue. And I also got this one right here, which is the black paint. Black and white are the ones I usually mostly use these. So yeah, all this for $63. Not bad, not bad. I'm so excited for these wigs to add in my collection. Ooh, I'm so excited. Alright, baby girls, thank you guys for coming shopping with me. I'm so excited to play around for more looks for you guys. Let's get started. Let's get started. You're excited, Star? We're gonna be scaring Star. Let's scare Star. Let's scare her. Let's scare her. Let's scare her. My baby. Alright. Peace out, baby girls. I got to hurry up and clean up. My room's a hot mess. I gotta hurry up and clean. My client got here before. I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta do a haircut. I need to hurry up and clean this room so we can get started. Alright, peace out. See you guys on the next video. Alright, thank you, baby girls, for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on my Rambo channel. See you guys next time. Peace out.